What? What is intelligence? Okay. Intelligence or intellect? Well, these are two different things. Well, okay, intelligence. It's a very vast and unending topic. So you need to segregate what intelligence you're talking about. You need to label it. You need to sort it. You need to classify it. You need to categorize it. Only then I can talk about a specific type of intelligence. Well, in any case, you must have the initiative and interest. That's one sign of intelligence, to have initiative, interest. Then you can also have innovation and imagination. So innovation, imagination, interest and initiative are four attributes of intelligence. Then there are social transaction. As we are human beings, we are living in our neighborhood, we are families, we are talking socially, we are transacting with people around us. So therefore, there is a category segregation, sorting, classification and labeling of how this transaction among people should be classified. So I will talk to you a little few words. For example, you have bureaucracy. Suppose you decide to go a 1,500 kilometer drive between a state to another state, 1,500 kilometer drive in your sports utility vehicle. It will take a few hours, half a day, or one day. So in which case, inside that wall goes into managing that activity. See, you need to have expertise, specialization, capacity and capability. This is also part of intelligence. Now, if you drive with your four friends in your sport utility vehicle for a 1,000 kilometer travel, there is good amount of management skills, how to manage it, administrative skills, where you collect all the documents, you understand the do and the don't, where there is a prohibition, where there should be where you must stop. This is administration. Then there is governance and bureaucracy. Bureaucracy is where you will log in all the details of your travel, where you stopped, how many minutes did you stop. You will make reporting, you will make documenting of all this. Now this is a required intelligence when you simply go for a drive of 1,000 kilometers. Now on road you may see some gang of activists, protests. Now these protesting people, activists, they have their own intelligence. They report to governors. They report to other administration. There are legislators in a community, people who are lawmakers, legislators, elected representatives. I mean, this is how the social intelligence requirements are. You need to understand a little bit of everything. How the police works, how the military works. And then you made documents of all this, that you travel from here to there, the bills, the supporting documents of expenditure. There is an enforcement directorate. They will check your accounts, your tax liabilities, your bookkeeping abilities, efficiencies. Then the lawmakers, the legislators makes laws, and the enforcement directors and communicates to judiciary, the judge, the lawyers. So this is another intelligence, how things are represented diplomatically or politically. There is on the other side, there is underworld people, undercover people who operate in secrecy, spying people, political people. So you can resolve certain things diplomatically or politically. It will depend on your skill set. And banking and auditing, these other skills. You need to know exactly all the figures that you have documented of your tour of this 1,000 kilometers. Sport skills, sport intelligence, swimming, and entertainment, people who sing songs, people who do tabla, people who do guitar. In sport you can talk about kabaddi, kho-kho, frisbee and this gulli danda. These are all part of intelligence where you excel in something. See, this is what I'm telling you are various words. These are all platforms for you to excel. Once you know where you are good at, for example, you're good at business or industry, manufacture, doctors, engineers. So these are all intelligences. And underworld people, spying, secret people. secret services, gangsters. There are platforms where there are gangsters, rowdies, criminals, and thieves. Then there's another platform of bizarre people who are all the time irrational, unreasonable, and illogical, and you got to deal with them. What to do? They're part of your social fabric. They are there. You got to deal with them. So this is another intelligence. And there are platforms. There are platforms for religions to express itself. So intelligence is about how do you express yourself? How do you represent your certain qualities? Social groups, associations. This is another intelligence. The ability to associate and knit yourself into a fabric of people of various expressions. Internet, technology, artificial intelligence, development, coding, technology, technical works. So this is another intelligence of mathematics, which is not music. Well, these are the few words that I can quickly think of as only intelligence. Your question is about intelligence. So I'm talking to you how to know a little bit about all these things. So these are all platforms for you to excel. And you must have initiative and take interest a little bit in how all this works. All these categories, classifications, labeling, segregation, sorting. How does all these work? Then it is easy for you to know how the society is intertwined into a fabric. It is threaded together with all this. And all these are various platforms for different people to get expertise and excel and express themselves, show themselves out. So bureaucrat becomes expert bureaucrat, diplomat resolves issues diplomatically, politicians, they resolve issues politically, and activists, protesters. So these are various things, manufacturers, builders. So you can choose your slot and get an interest and initiative in all of this. So that much about intelligence. Then there are many other intelligences where I am not an expert to talk about all that. I am only making the transaction among people very easily in the society. So this is the Mindcraft number 25. You have seen the Mindcraft number 7 and you have seen the Mindcraft number 8. And we have reached to Mindcraft number 25, and you can once again revise your intelligences of various Mindcrafts. So keep looking into the Mindcraft series for more intelligence.